Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make your PlayStation 5 quieter while it's in rest mode. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So have you ever noticed your PlayStation 5 is quite loud while you have it in rest mode? And this is when you have like the orange lights on the front of the console. And you are actually having power supplied to the front USB ports. And this is one of the reasons why the fans continue to kick on while your PlayStation is essentially turned off. Now, how would we go ahead and turn off the power to the front USB ports? Well, if we go up to the top and go to settings right here, and then scroll on down to system and select this, then go on down to power saving, and then go over to features available in rest mode right here and select this option. Then the top option, supply power to USB ports. To charge your controllers, plug them into the USB ports. If you select 3 hours, power will be supplied only for that long after entering rest mode. So I currently have mine turned off. You have an option for 3 hours, and I believe the default is maybe like always. But if you have always on, you're going to notice like the fans are kind of like kicking in at weird times while your PlayStation 5 is in rest mode. But if you go ahead and select off, you won't have those fans kick on. The only bad part of this is you won't be able to charge your controllers while your PlayStation 5 is in rest mode. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.